Solemn's decides to move back in with Nandi and fetches his clothes for Rebecca, but Rebecca is not happy, saying that Udlisiwe when you are bewitched. Then Rebecca comes up with a plan to get rid of Chuma. Ngapho Matseliso tells the Sokulu indaba zabo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita the enemy. Unandi no Solomzi, they're all lovey-dovey. Unandi asks uSolomzi ukuthi move back in with her. They go and fetch impahla zaSolomzi kwa Rebecca. Rebecca is not happy that uSolomzi is now moving back in no Nandi because she was convinced ukuthi uSolomzi uzohlala naye because they were fighting, and says ukuthi hayi wena uhlisiwe when you are bewitched, there's no way ukuthi you are moving so fast because you guys still have a lot to fix. Athi uSolomzi, don't worry about me. I'm happy when I focus on dealing with Chuma because we blackmail lo muntu. Rebecca thi and I don't worry about Chuma, angizodila naye Chuma. When I just watch and learn. Unandi no Solomzi, they're very happy. They look so happy, like nothing happened. Like they're just willing to start afresh. And Rebecca comes up with a plan. Go to uzocela abantu to pay extra on their policies so that they put concrete after burying someone, so that uChuma ngasakwazi ukudika up the coffins. Solomzi is like sort of happy with the plan that Rebecca came up with. And then uChuma is busy planning his next job Paraboy ukuthi bazosebenza nini. Ngapha uVelaphi noThenjiwe, they're worried about umawakhe uNomsa ukuthi she doesn't seem like herself. Then they decide let's go surprise her dinner, lunch together as a family. And then uChuma asks utshela uMaNdlebi uNolitha to come with her to the house, to the family lunch. Afike noMatseliso, afike namabhiya. Everyone is there. Bulelani, uVelaphi comes with Siyamthanda, Thenjiwe. And then they sit to have lunch as a family. Nolitha complains because they didn't touch her food. Wabangena uMatseliso athi uMatseliso wena ubani uzothatha ukudla kwakho because wena you poison people. Ngapha you're trying so hard to keep umshado wakho noChuma while Chuma is cheating on you shamelessly. Nina abantu abasokhulu nina, there's no unity la in the Sokulu family. You don't love each other. You're always planning to kill each other. Anzwani nje. Ubulelana anabathe hey wena Matseliso, kahle man, what are you doing? Thula la. Matseliso like hayi ngeke bulelani ngiyakhuluma. She went on and finally everyone just started leaving. Philip left with uSiyamthanda, Thenjiwe naye igcine sehamba noMatseliso noBulelani bahamba ke. And then sebasele ke uMamNomsa noNolitha. And uMamNomsa does not even like uNolitha anymore. And then Nelly is out celebrating a birthday kabanzi, saying that it was Banzi's birthday. And so she sits with Nkanyiso, and Nkanyiso gets an idea when Nelly mentioned soul sessions. He wants to host soul sessions at the tavern and pitches the idea to Bulelani, and he seems to like it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.